Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Debbie and yeah, today I'm doing a 5-minute makeup challenge. So then people will stop asking me, why do you look so sick? I don't. This is just my normal face. Huh. I know, it's awful. So I probably won't run through every single product that I'm using, but it will be in the description box because it is a 5-minute makeup video. I don't think I would have time to be like, this is such and such, go buy it. Yeah, and I am wearing my house coat because it's just always freezing here. And see if you call this a dressing gown. It's not, it's a house coat. Give it a thumbs up if you think it is a dressing gown and comment below if you think it is a house coat. Do that instead of the thumbs down, I don't like that. Okay, so let's get started with this. So I am starting the 5-minute timer now. Okay, so firstly I'm going on with foundation, and this is just basically to cover everything. And if I only get this done in the 5 minutes, then at least that's something. And I'm not going to edit out any of this, so this is all real time, and it'll probably look like a mess. But don't judge me because normally it takes me quite a while to do my makeup. Apart from the mornings whenever I am obviously running to work, and yeah, I don't have time because I like my bed and I don't like getting up. Okay. Yeah. Oh, there's bits missing there. Do my ears because I always do. And anything that's left over, just go over the bits where you want more coverage. And I look extremely white on this camera. I'm not, it is just the ring light making it look that way. And then I'm going in with powder and just powder my full face. And then my foundation actually looks, my foundation actually looks real. And yeah. I'm just thinking, like, I'm not editing out any of this, so I will probably mess up a whole lot of times. Okay, I think that's enough powder. And then, what else do I need? Oh, brow brush. Oh. And some brow stuff. Go around my eyebrows. There's beeping. Oh god, I messed up. I'm not even using any. Oh, that looks so bad. Can you even see that? It looks so thick. But yeah, this eyebrow, I wasn't going to use any base for my eyebrows. Maybe I should have just went a bit slower, but you know what? I'll fix it, hopefully, if I have time. Don't mess up, Debbie. Messed up again. Go in with the foundation brush again and just go around that. That looks alright. Yeah, fine, perfect. Boom. Lipstick. I'm getting the main things out of the way, so then whenever the whenever the 5-minute timer goes off, at least I'll have all the basics down. And I can't talk through that bit because obvious reasons. Right, eyeliner, another basic one. Oh, that looks a bit dodgy. A bit of mascara. I don't normally wear mascara, but because I'm not wearing eyelashes, I feel like I might need it. Should have really curled these bad boys, but you know what? I ain't got time for it. Okay, I have Loreal down here and up here. Yeah, right, I'm gonna take off my house coat, put on a jacket, because this is all about making me look a bit better, and I don't think the house coat will do it. Okay, now to make this face look less white, especially on camera, like I don't know what's going on today. Contour and blusher. Star 3. Ah. Is that me done? That's me done. How did that take 5 minutes? Like, you know what? I did. I got the basics down, got the house coat off, and yeah, I don't understand how that took me 5 minutes. I think I must have pressed that beforehand, because that ain't on. If you like this video, which there wasn't really much of it to be honest, go and like my other videos or go check them out, and yeah, I will see you in the next video. Bye!